In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in WordPress WooCommerce step by step. We'll begin right inside your WordPress dashboard by opening the site editor and loading the home template. This puts us in the exact layout visitors see first. Once you're in the editor, watch for any area that appears highlighted. That's WordPress indicating the active block you can change. Click the highlighted area you want to update and type in the text you need, such as a short heading or label for your shop section. If a text cursor appears, you're in the right place. Go ahead and enter your wording. Then click the next highlighted region to continue refining the section. As you move through the page, keep clicking the highlighted spots the editor presents. This will guide you to the block toolbar for the section you want to modify. When the toolbar shows the option to replace a block, choose Replace. This is useful when a placeholder or existing element isn't what you need for selling, and you want to swap it with a purchase-ready component. Next, select Payment Buttons from the block options. If you see payment buttons listed more than once, pick the one highlighted by the editor to ensure it goes into the correct spot. Payment buttons create a quick path for customers to buy, no extra navigation required, by embedding purchase actions directly in your page. Once inserted, click any highlighted settings area so you can configure what the buttons do. Now connect your payment processor. Choose Connect Stripe when prompted. A secure window will guide you to sign in and authorize your site to accept payments. Take a moment to verify your details and complete the connection. If you don't see the confirmation right away, let the page finish and return to the editor where the payment buttons will show as connected. When your changes look right, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that everything has been stored. If the editor highlights another item, follow that prompt briefly, then save again if asked. For a final check, click Preview in New tab to open a live preview of your home template. Confirm that your text appears correctly, the payment buttons are visible, and the Stripe connection is active. When you're satisfied, click Launch to publish your changes. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. View the page on mobile to ensure the buttons fit nicely, and test the purchase flow with a small test product or amount to confirm everything works end-to-end. That's it. Your store page is now set up to showcase products and let customers buy smoothly.